From YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to restore the default settings on your PlayStation 5, and this will reset certain things like maybe your Wi-Fi or your network settings, and this is very easy to access. You can do it two different ways. Now I'm going to show you how to access it through the safe mode menu. So to do this, you want to completely turn off your PlayStation 5, go to the power up button, and then go to turn off PS5 right here and select this option. And you don't want to enter rest mode, you want to completely turn it off. And then connect your controller with a USB cable just like this. So once the PS5 is completely turned off, we should be able to access the menu. So let's scroll on down, and you can see it's connected with a USB device. Now when the lights stop blinking, hold down the power button. And you will hear one beep initially, and then you will hear another beep. So continue to hold this down, and then you will hear another beep. Press the PlayStation button, and then you will have the different options on the screen. So let's scroll up now, and you can see all the different options. Let's go on down to the option number 5, Restore Default Settings. The settings will be returned to the default values. Now you will have to sign back in using your email address and password, so just a heads up. And then you can go ahead and sign back in, and all the settings will be reverted back to the default settings, like maybe your display settings, so you'll have to change the resolution, all your capture and privacy settings, your network settings, etc. So just a heads up, everything's going to be reset. Now if you do have other issues, you can factory reset your PS5, you can repair the console storage, or you can change the resolution under this screen as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.